Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna go over here at Aldi's. I wanna buy some candy. Nothing else. I'll show you. Join me. Want to? So I'm inside here at Aldi's and I'm gonna look for candy. But meanwhile, I can show you what kind of fruits they have. Each mango is 69 cents. They're kind of small for 69 cents. Got some pears here for $3.99. Cantaloupe. They got some peaches here. $1.99 each. One of the mango here is bad. You can see it's rotten. I need to throw that out. You can't sell it. They have some green apples for $3.49. They call them Granny. I don't know why. They have caramel apple for $4. Like a pair of three. $4. What do you think? It's dripping. They call it Affy Tapple. $4. $3.49. They also sell caramel dip for $2.79. They have a bunch of them here. $2.79. They have mandarins for $4. $3.59. They look nice and fresh. They have oranges for $3.99. They call them Neville oranges. And papayas. Papayas are $1.99 each a pound. And pineapples, they're all green. They are not ready. For $1.99. There's at Aldi's. The pineapples there. And pomegranates for $1.69 each. I don't think I've ever tried those. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. If you've tried them and what they taste like. They're like a pear or apple or what. I like their chocolate chip cookies, but they don't have any today. Just have like fudge for $2.29. I don't like fudge. That's all they have. So I'm not getting any cookies. They don't have chocolate chip cookies. These Danish butter cookie, they're very good. I don't know if you've ever tried them. I like them. Waffle rolls for $4.19. Right there. They look good. But these ones, I recommend them for you. They're very good. Not too many in there, but they're good. These ones here, they call them macarons. Plain, $2.49. They're cookies too. Never tried them. I don't know if I need to try them or not. Not need if I want to. These butter cookies sounds good. $2.69. They have some peanut butter chocolate over here for $3.49. Now I'm gonna show you the candy here. What brought me here today is to get my favorite chocolate. I'll show you in a second which one I like best. $4 for raisin and nut. I like those. I've tried the white one. I didn't like it. I didn't like that one, but probably you do. It's $2.49. It's cheaper. But this is my favorite right there. That's what I'm gonna get. I like it. $2.49. I also like these ones here. This one's for $1.39. They have a lot of chocolate. That's dark chocolate. They also have white chocolate up here. And this $1.99. That's what they look like. I've never tried these ones here for $3.49. I have some little ones over here too for $1.59. These are $3.99. You can see these Hershey's are big for $5, or $6. They're big. Alright, that's my shopping for candy at Aldi's. That's what I got. We'll see you on the next video. Leave a comment, give us a like, and subscribe, please. Peace out.